What's going on, my friends? Chris here. I want to bring you all an update today of Bitcoin. Right now we're sitting at $118,000. What I want to do is take a look at Bitcoin here on the weekly time frame. As we know, Bitcoin is going to be our North Star. It's going to be our driver for this entire bull market. The higher Bitcoin can go, the more altcoins can run essentially down the road here, guys. So it's really important for Bitcoin to get as high as possible as we're looking for that rotation out of Bitcoin into Ethereum, then into some of these larger altcoins. But right now, if we're taking a look for Bitcoin here on the weekly time frame, and one thing I want to always mention, guys, is try not to fight the trend the best that you can. Right now, we're trading up above our 20-week simple moving average in green. We're up above our 50 in red, and we're up above our 200 in white. So far, trend just completely to the upside. No issues, no problems there. If we take a look at our indicators, our lazy bear squeeze, we are still in the green, and we're also firing here. So our squeeze is firing with these yellow dots. So everything's looking good there. Our Chaikin money flows at a positive 21, and that's after being at a negative 9 just a few months ago. So really picked up the buying volume again. So that's what we want to see. And also, as well as our MACD, we're up above the 0 line. And we also have our 12 up above our 26. If we get into our Lux Algo, main areas of support that we're looking at here, if Bitcoin does start to retrace a little bit, we have a nice buy box here of around $99,000 on the lower end to the upper end of about $108,000. So this is a major area that we want to hold, because this is also going to be our weekly higher low. So this area at about $98,000 or so, this is our weekly higher low, and that's what we want to continue to hold. We don't want to start losing this here, guys, and then getting down into that weekly downtrend. But right now, everything's looking really good for Bitcoin. If we get into the technicals of things, like I like to show you. So if we get into the technicals here, we always start on the highest time frame and work our way down. And also, if you guys get some from these videos, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. I'm only putting out videos when I really feel like it's going to benefit everybody here. I don't want to just put out videos each and every day just to make videos. If anything, I believe that confuses people. On the monthly time frame, we still have a strong buy for Bitcoin, so that's looking good. Our overall driver, that big time frame, the next one's going to be our 1 week. We have a 4 sell, an 8 neutral, and a 14 buy. And then on the 1 day time frame, we still have a buy signal. We have a 4 sell, an 8 neutral, and a 13 buy. So that's what you want to see. If you're still in Bitcoin right now, what you want is that monthly time frame aligned, that weekly time frame, and then that daily time frame as well. So everything's looking pretty good here for Bitcoin. If we drop down just to the daily time frame, just give you a little bit more detail here. I want to step back, still trading up above our 200-day simple moving average, so that's a big area for us, and that's also going to correlate with that weekly higher low, right around that area there, guys, of about $98,000. That's the area that we do not want to give up. Want to continue to hold that. Still in an uptrend here. We had our low, high, higher low, higher high. Now we're trying to set that higher low. On the daily time frame, we're looking to hold $114,866. If we look at our indicators, lazy bear squeeze, we do still have this yellow firing and triggering, but we're starting to lose a little bit of strength on the histogram there. Money flow is going to be at a positive 0.17, so that's looking good. MACD still trading up above the 0 line, which we want to see, but we are starting to get that 12 crossing down through the 26. So on the daily time frame, a little bit weaker, but the weekly time frame is the main one that we're paying attention to, and that's going to be our main driver. On the daily time frame, our Lux Algo, same concept here. We're going to have potential buy support around $110,000, we'll call it. Then all the way down to about that $107,000 is going to be the main area for us. So when you're stepping back here, guys, the main thing that I would tell you is, say you had a Bitcoin. Okay, most people don't have a Bitcoin. I don't have a Bitcoin. But say you have a Bitcoin and this is going up the way that it is. In my opinion, right around this area, I would take 20% off the table. We're up at 118,000. If you've ridden it for a long time, take 20-25% off the table, then continue to let the rest ride. But I believe this is a safe spot, a good area. My first target was $125,000. We made it up to about $123,000. I'd say this is a sweet spot here. Take a little bit off the profit, or a little bit off the table, bank some of those profits, put it in cash, collect some interest, and then that takes away some of the stress so that you can allow Bitcoin to continue to ride higher if it's going to continue to ride higher. And in my opinion, it looks like it still could push to some higher levels. So that's my thoughts, guys. Wanted to put that out there for you. God bless each and every one of you. Love you all. Take care.